I'm starting to feel like Dave Schneider now with the videos, lol. All right, so this is how you create a teacher account. You open up your browser. You're going to go to Kuta Works. Just search for it. You want to go to faculty. I'll log out so you can see what to do here. Okay, so you're going to go to faculty. You're going to go to sign up. Put your information in, name, last name, location, state, and all prep, your passcode, and that's it. It's that easy. And then what they'll do is you just have to press, I'll log in so you can see once you sign in. This is how you create. You're going to go to add course. This will be blank. Go to add course. You type in the title, the start date, the duration. You want 1 semester of it. And then you save it. And then what will happen is they will give you a key code. So when you have that key code, you're going to email the KudaWorks website plus the key for the students. They will sign up, you will approve it, and then they're in. I counted that as a homework assignment. If I'm talking very quickly because of dinner, if this isn't clear, again, let me know.